Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to use Cordyceps Militaris. We'll cover everything from its basic forms to recommended dosages and best practices for consumption. This powerful functional mushroom has been valued for centuries for its potential to boost energy and support vitality. Understanding how to properly incorporate it into your routine can help you unlock its full range of benefits. Let's dive in and learn how to make the most of this incredible natural supplement. Cordyceps militaris comes in several convenient forms, making it easy to integrate into your daily life. You'll often find it as a fine powder, a potent extract, or encapsulated for precise dosing. For general wellness, a common daily intake is between 500 milligrams and 3 grams. Remember, extracts are more concentrated, so always check the product label for specific instructions to ensure you're taking the correct amount. To truly maximize the benefits of Cordyceps militaris, consistency is key. Aim to take it daily, ideally in the morning or before any physical activity, to harness its energizing properties. It's incredibly versatile. You can easily blend the powder into your morning smoothie, stir it into your coffee or tea, or simply mix it with a glass of water. Find a routine that works best for you and stick with it. Cordyceps militaris offers a range of potential benefits, including supporting athletic performance, boosting immune function, and aiding respiratory health. Many users report experiencing reduced fatigue and increased stamina. While generally well tolerated, it's always wise to consult with a healthcare professional before starting any new supplement, especially if you are pregnant, nursing, or currently taking other medications. Your health and safety are paramount.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.